I'm going to show you a step-by-step method to solve this Harvard University entrance exam question. Okay, so here we need to solve x squared minus x cubed is equal to 36. Okay, so first let's rearrange the equation such that it will be equal to 0 like this. So x squared minus x cubed minus 36. 36 can be rewritten as minus 9 minus 27 or equal to 0. So x squared minus x cubed minus the 9 can be rewritten as a power, so minus 3 squared. 27 as a power, it is 3 cubed or equal to 0. Now, if we now rearrange and take x squared minus 3 squared minus x cubed minus 3 cubed or equal to 0. By doing this, we have a x squared minus 3 squared, which is a difference of 2 squares. And if we now factor out minus 1 like this, we are going to get x cubed plus 3 cubed, which is a sum of cubes or equal to 0. Okay. So for the factors of the difference of 2 squares, for example, a squared minus b squared are a plus b bracket a minus b. And for the factors of the sum of cubes, for example, a cubed plus b cubed are a plus b bracket a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay, so our difference of 2 squares will look like this. So x plus 3, x minus 3. And our cubes, so minus our cubes, it will be minus x plus 3 bracket x squared minus 3x plus 9 or equal to 0. So notice here, there is a common factor, x plus 3. Next. So we are going to factor out x plus 3. So our equation will look like this, all equal to 0. So for the first bracket here, x plus 3 equal to 0, or the next bracket, all equal to 0. So this can be simplified to x squared minus 4x plus 12 or equal to 0. So notice here we have 3 solutions. Our first solution is x is equal to minus 3. And to solve the next quadratic, this quadratic equation, we can use a quadratic formula which is like this. So first, let's identify our a. So a will be 1, b will be minus 4, and c will be 12. If we now substitute our values in our quadratic formula, we are going to get something like this. And this will simplify to x is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of minus 32 over 2. Okay, so here, do you notice we have a square root of minus 32? Okay, so a square root of a negative number is not a real number, it's an imaginary number. So to break this down, square root of minus 32, it can be rewritten as square root of 32 times square root of minus 1. And square root of 32 can be rewritten as square root of 16 times 2 times, so square root of minus 1, it is denoted by the imaginary number I. And this simplifies to 4 square root of 2 times I. So 4 square root of 2i. Next. So we are simply going to substitute all of this in square root of minus 32. Okay. So if we now substitute 4 square root of 2i where square root of minus 32 is, we are going to get x is equal to 4 plus or minus 4 square root of 2i all over 2. And this simplifies to x is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 2i. So we already have one solution here, x is equal to -3. The other two solutions will be x is equal to 2 plus 2 square root of 2i, or x is equal to 2 minus 2 square root of 2i. So here we have found all three solutions. That's it.